Hello, my dear students. Today I have taken the topic from class 11th for revision, and that is notice writing. Students, we have already read notices are short compositions and they are written for a purpose, and it should be very objective and factual in nature. And these are issued by an organization or by an individual as well. We find notices in offices, schools, newspapers, etc. And the very purpose of writing notice is to inform people about some event or to give some guidelines or anything which is related to public. Let's have a look at the format. Students, at first we have to write name of the institution, then comes date, then notice, then a heading of the notice. After that we will give a gap, a line gap, okay? Then comes content. In content you have to mention what, why, when and where. For what purpose the notice is being written, why. Do you want a contribution from them or do you want to inform or alert them? When, day, date, time, where, location and venue. After that again we leave a line and then we will write concluding paragraph. It could be just a line. In this usually we write, for further information contact the undersigned. I'll show you the example, then it will be more clear. At last we have to mention name of the issuer or signature, and below that their designation within bracket. This is the format. Let me show you one example. The question is, draft a notice to inform the society members about the cancellation of the program. Students, you must have noticed one thing, that in the question institution's name is not given and who is issuing the notice, that is also not clear. Okay, therefore in these kind of cases what we will do, we will invent the details by ourselves. Remember, whenever such kind of questions you will get, you have to write in proper format. Okay, the informations which are lacking in the question you have to write by yourselves. In this case, the questions, the issuer and the institution's name we are going to write on our own. Students, another thing you must remember is that through your notice your information should reach to the audience. Okay, and in that, as I told you, 4 W's: what, where, when, why. All these questions answer should be vivid. Okay, and I'll show the answer in 2 ways. The first one is this, and here at first I have mentioned the Rotary Club Siliguri. This I have written by myself because I did not find it in the question. Okay, then we will write the date, notice in capital letters. Remember, notice in capital letters. Then when we are writing the heading, we have to remember the first letter of the each word should be in capital. In this case, A of awareness, A of against, C of corona, V of virus. So all these first letters should be in capital. Okay, then see the content. I'll read out. Keeping in view the sudden spread of corona infection across the country, it has been decided to close all the scheduled programs of the society till the next announcement. This decision has been finalized in the meeting that was held yesterday, 21st December 2020, with the President and the other society members at the community hall. For further information, you may contact the undersigned. Students, in this notice we get answer to all the 4 questions. First one, what? Okay, what they have decided to do? They have decided to close all the scheduled programs. Next, why? It is because of corona infection. When? 21st December. on this day meeting was held. Where? It was held in community hall. Okay, so the notice is complete. Now we have to write concluding line. That is, for further information you may contact the undersigned. You can write something else as well, there is no issue, but it should be related to the notice. At last we will mention writer's name. The issuer I have invented, and he is Shama, and he is the president of the Rotary Club. We need not to write Rotary Club again because we have already mentioned at the top. Students, your notice should look like this. I have clicked it from the computer, that is why it is a bit dull. Let's move to the second way of answering the same question. Okay, the question is, draft a notice to inform the society members about the cancellation of the program. Students, see the different answer of the same question. The institution's name I have written here, date I have mentioned, notice I have written in capital letters, that is must. Then comes heading, cancellation of scheduled program, C capital, S capital, P capital. Okay, conjunctions and other joining words can be excluded from capitalization. The content is, this is to inform all the members of our institution that because of corona crisis we are bound to stand still all the upcoming programs. This decision was taken in the meeting that was held yesterday at 5 p.m. 21st December 2020 with the president and the other members at the community hall. Further announcement will be made as per the situation. For more information, you may contact the undersigned. Students, here also we get answer to all the 4 questions. What, why, when and where. What they are going to do, they are going to stand still the program. Why? Because of corona crisis. When? Date is given. And then where? The community hall. Okay, so this also contains all the information, therefore you can write in this format as well. At last we will mention issuer's name or signature, and below that designation within brackets. Students, the same thing I have clicked from the computer, you all can say this. Okay, there is no difference. The earlier one is brighter and this one is a bit darker. Alright, students, after writing 4 points, that is name of the institution, date, notice and heading, you all have to leave a line. Okay, that is why I have written gap. Then you will write the content. You might wind it up within 3 or 3.5 lines. Then you will leave a line again. After that you will write concluding paragraph. It could be of a line or 1.5 line, not more than that. After that you will leave a line. Then comes the signatory section, signature and designation. Dear students, I hope it's clear. Now I'll move to the marking section. Students, 1 mark is for format, and format includes name of the institution, date, notice, heading, first content paragraph, concluding paragraph and then signatory section. Out of all this, if you miss out even one, then you are not going to get full 1 mark. In content section, your notice should contain the answer of what, why, when and where. And students, 1 mark is for expression. Whether your message is clear or not, the notice is able to reach to the common people or not, that matters most. Alright, it's not that you will use bombastic words in order to make it very grand. No, notice is for common people, and in common people we find all kinds of public. Educated, uneducated, less educated. Therefore, we have to make our notice as simple and specific as possible. Friends, I am including 3 solved examples here. You can have a look and take idea how to write notice in different forms. Thank you. We will meet with another topic in my next video. Thank you so much.